Assalamualaikum to Madam Aswaliza. So today we would like to present our final project, which is cinema booking system. So first of all, let me introduce our team member, which is me, Saitu Nur Syafiqah binti Nasir, and Nur Syafiqah binti Muhammad Ruzi, Nur Aina Syazwani binti Muhammad Nazri, Syashwini anak perempuan Kovindan. So right now, let's have a look on our content of our presentation. So first is introduction. So as I told before, our system is online movie ticket booking system. So this online movie ticket booking system is developed to provide the customer facilities to book and reserve ticket, and customer also can find out the movie detail here. So beside that, on our system, customer can know the movie detail such as time, release date, cinema hall, type, seats, food and beverage, and etc. So to explain more about our system, so right now, let's move on to the ERD relation diagram. So our ERD diagram, this is our ERD diagram. So to explain more detail about the relationship in this diagram, so I will explain using business rule. So first is customer to purchase. So from customer to purchase is one-to-many relationship. So each customer can make many purchase, but each purchase is made by only one customer. So next is staff to purchase. Staff to purchase is one-to-many relationship, which is each staff can manage many purchase, but each purchase managed by one and only one staff. So next is showtime to purchase. One showtime is relation to many purchase. So meaning that each showtime can choose many purchase, but each purchase is chosen by one and only one showtime. So right now is hall to showtime. Hall to showtime is one to many relationship. So one hall can have many showtime, but each showtime belong to one and only one hall. So next is movie to showtime. So movie to showtime is one to many relationship. So each movie can have many showtime, but each showtime can belong to one and only one movie. So next is purchase to seat. So purchase to seat is many to many relationship. So to present this relation, so we need bridge, which is purchase ticket. So purchase to purchase ticket is one to many relationship, and seat to purchase ticket is one to many relationship, and it is strong relationship here. So each purchase can purchase many purchase ticket. Each purchase ticket is purchased by one and only one purchase. Same goes to seat. So each seat can manage by many purchase ticket, but each purchase ticket managed by one and only one seat. So the last one is purchase to food and beverage. So purchase to food and beverage also many to many relationship. So to represent the relationship, so we need the bridge, which is purchase FB. So each purchase ticket, each purchase can purchase many purchase FB. Each purchase FB purchased by one and only one purchase. And same goes to food and beverage. Each food and beverage managed by many purchase FB, and each purchase FB managed by one and only one food and beverage. I think that's all from me. So I will pass to my next member to explain about the data dictionary. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi madam. My name is Nur Syafiqah binti Muhammad Rozi and I will present about data dictionary. So what is data dictionary and why we use data dictionary? Data dictionary is to provide detailed information about the contents of database and concise guide to understanding and using the data. So in data dictionary, there is table name, attribute name, content, type, format, range, required PK or FK required table. So firstly is the table customer. In the attribute name, there is customer ID, data type char, and size file. Username Bachatu, size 15. First name Wachatu, size 10. Last name Wachatu, size 10. Date of birthday, data type date. Telephone number, we use Wachatu, size 12. Address Wachatu, size 35. Email customer Wachatu, we use size 25. Next is staff. First is staff ID. We use Cha, size 5. First name Bachatu, size 10. Last name Bachatu, size 10. Their birthday, date. Telephone number, we use Bachatu, size 12. Address, we use Bachatu, size 35. Email, we use Bachatu, size 25. Next is movie ID. Number, size 5. Name, we use Bachatu, size 20. Classification, we use Bachatu, size 4. Genre, we use Bachatu, size 8. Language, we use Bachatu, size 12. Subtitle, we use Bachatu, size 12. Duration, we use Bachatu. Next is hall. Hall ID, we use number, size 2. Type of hall, we use Bachatu, size 20. Total seat, we use number. And then table seat, we use seat ID, Bachatu, size 4. Type, we use Bachatu, size 20. Price, we use number 5 and 2. Next is food and beverage. FBID, we use number, size 5. Name, we use Bachatu, size 10. Type, we use Bachatu, size 15. Price, we use number 5 and 2. Next is show timetable.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. I'm Nur Ana Syazwani binti Muhammad Nazri. Okay, I will continue the data dictionary with the table purchase ticket. The attribute purchase ID. We use the data type number with size 5, seat ID voucher 2 with size 4, and quantity with the data type small integer. Okay, the next table is purchase FB, which is purchase FB is purchase food and beverage. For FB ID is the food and beverage ID. We use data type number 5 and purchase ID number 5 and quantity we use small integer. And next is the table of the table with the data. Okay, firstly for customer, we have customer ID, username, F name, L name, DOB, cell number, email, address. For the staff, we have staff ID, F name, L name, DOB, cell number, email, and address. Next, we move to the movie table. We have movie ID, name, classification, genre, language, subtitle, and duration. And the next table is hall. We have hall ID, type, and the total seat. The next table is show time. We have show time ID, date show, time show, movie ID, and hall ID. Next, the table is seat. That we have seat ID, type, and price. For the table food and beverage, we have FP ID, name, type, price. For the purchase table, we have purchase ID, date purchase, total purchase, customer ID, short time ID, and staff ID. Okay, we move on to the next table. Okay, for the next table, we have purchase ticket. In the purchase ticket, we have purchase ID, set ID, and quantity. Then, in the purchase FB, we have set ID, tag, and price. Okay, that's all for me.
So hi everyone, my name is Sashwini and now I would like to present about the operations that we have done throughout this project. So after we have done creating the table and insert all the datas, we had done some operations, and the first one will be the update. So the update we have done from the table customer table to update the first name of customer with customer ID C0016 to Shalini. With the proper SQL statement, update customer set F name equals to Shalini where customer ID equals to C0016. We have managed to get the output. So this is the before and after the table of the output. So next operation will be the delete operation. So for this operation, we did the delete process from the table purchase ticket, and what we did was that we deleted the purchase ticket with purchase ID 10013 and seat ID B032. So with using the proper SQL statement, which is delete from purchase ticket where purchase ID equals to 10013 and seat ID B032, we managed to delete it. And the next operation will be the selection, and we did the selection from the table purchase FB. What we did was to retrieve the FB ID where 39775 or 33564 and display all the informations, and we're using the proper relational algebra and suitable as SQL statement, we managed to get the output and we received 4 outputs. And the next one will be the projection operation, and we did it from the table customer to retrieve the customer ID, first name, last name, address, and phone number. And using the proper relational algebra and suitable SQL statement, we managed to get the output, and we got 5 data from the table. And the next operation will be the grouping, where we did the grouping from the table purchase to find the number of purchase and sum of purchase managed by each staff. So by using the relational algebra and also suitable SQL statement, where select distinct staff ID, count purchase ID as count sum, total purchase as sum from purchase group by staff ID, we managed to get the output, and you can see this is the output. And the next one will be the aggregation. So we did the aggregation from the table purchase FB, where we find the average of quantity food and beverage. By using the SQL statement, select average quantity as my average from purchase FB, we managed to get the output we wanted. And the next one will be the inner join, where we did from 2 tables, which is table purchase and table staff. What we did was to find staff who handle purchase instead of staff with staff ID S0020 or S0010. So by using the inner, which is equi-join, with the proper SQL statement, we managed to get the output, and we got staff ID, purchase ID, and the first name and last name together, and came out with the 3 datas. And the next one will be the outer join, where we did it from 2 tables also, which is table haul and table show time, which is to produce a report show time haul. By using the outer left join and using the SQL statement, we managed to get the output we wanted, and we received 6 datas from the table. And the last one will be the nested and subqueries operation, where we did it from 2 tables also, which is customer table and purchase table, which is to display all customer ID where there is either a customer or purchase. So by using a proper relational algebra and also SQL statement, where select customer ID from customer union select cust ID from purchase, we managed to get 5 datas of customer ID. So this is the output, and I think that's all from us. Thank you.